Welcome to Motivational Design Consulting. We're delighted to have you join us on this journey. At Motivational Design, we inspire and cultivate the drive to pursue greatness. Our aim is to equip individuals with the versatile career skills essential for success in today's ever-changing landscape. Today's lesson will focus on financial literacy. Why is financial literacy important in everyday life?
Financial literacy is important in everyday life because it equips individuals with the knowledge and skills to make informed and effective decisions about their finances. Key reasons why financial literacy matters.
Budgeting and money management. It helps individuals create and stick to a budget, manage their income, and avoid overspending. Saving and investing. Financial literacy promotes the habit of saving and understanding different investment options, enabling people to build wealth and prepare for the future. Debt management. It helps individuals understand how credit works, how to use it responsibly, and how to avoid or manage debt, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Avoiding financial pitfalls. Being financially literate helps individuals avoid common traps like payday loans, high-interest debt, and scams.
Achieving financial goals. It enables people to set realistic financial goals, such as buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement, and create a plan to achieve them. Improving financial confidence. With knowledge comes confidence. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make sound financial decisions and feel secure about their financial future. Economic participation. On a broader scale, financially literate citizens contribute to a healthier economy through smarter spending, saving, and investing. Definition of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including managing money, budgeting, saving, investing, using credit, and making informed financial decisions. Being financially literate means having the knowledge and confidence to make smart choices with your money in everyday life.
The importance of financial literacy. With real-world examples, financial literacy is a critical life skill that helps individuals make informed and effective decisions about money. Understanding how to earn, spend, save, and invest money wisely leads to greater financial stability and independence. Here's how it plays out in everyday life.
Budgeting for lunch. Imagine you have $25 for lunch for the week. If you don't budget, you might spend $10 on Monday and run out of money by Wednesday. But if you plan ahead, like spending $5 a day or packing lunch, you can make your money last all week. Financial literacy helps you plan and manage small, daily expenses so you don't overspend.
Saving for college. College can cost thousands of dollars. If you understand how to save early, open a savings account, and maybe even invest wisely, you can reduce how much you borrow in student loans. You'll also know to apply for scholarships and grants. Financial literacy teaches you how to set long-term goals and work toward them with a plan. Understanding credit cards. Credit cards can be helpful, but only if used wisely. If you spend more than you can repay or don't understand interest rates, you can fall into debt quickly. A person who is financially literate knows to pay off the full balance monthly and avoid high-interest purchases. Financial literacy protects you from debt traps and builds your credit responsibly.
Why it matters overall. Without financial literacy, people may overspend, fall into debt, or fail to prepare for emergencies. With financial literacy, you can build good credit, save for the future, and make informed decisions about major purchases and career goals.
How can being financially literate impact your future? Being financially literate can help you make smart money decisions that lead to financial stability and independence. It allows you to manage your income, avoid unnecessary debt, build savings, and plan for major life events like college, buying a car, or retirement. Financial literacy also helps protect you from scams and poor financial choices.
Let's recap financial literacy. Understanding how money works helps you make smart choices every day, from buying lunch to planning for your future. Creating and following a budget helps you manage your spending, avoid debt, and reach your savings goals. Knowing the difference between what you need, essentials, and what you want, extras, helps you prioritize your spending. Setting short-term and long-term financial goals gives you direction and helps you stay motivated and focused. Credit cards and loans must be repaid, with interest. Understanding how credit works helps protect your financial health. Saving money regularly, even in small amounts, adds up over time and prepares you for emergencies or big expenses like college. Being financially literate protects you from scams, bad deals, and poor money habits.